Where to stay in Vík on the south coast of Iceland. Vík is a 2.5 hours drive from Reykjavik and a terrific location in South Iceland. It's within driving distance of gorgeous black sand beaches and stunning waterfalls. There are also a lot of cool activities available in this town. For instance, you can join a tour to visit Katla Ice Cave, go horseback riding or go for a buggy ride on the black sand beach. Anyways, where to stay? Last time we were in Vík, we stayed at Hótel Katla, one of our favorite places to stay in town. It's one of the 10 Kea hotels in Iceland. Our room was really spacious with a big comfortable bed, and we had a gorgeous view of the famous Reynistrangar rock formations. After a long day of adventure, we made the most of our stay and visited the hotel spa area, which has a sauna and a hot tub. For dinner we went to Smiðjan Brugghús, where we had the lamb T-bone and apple coleslaw. It was delicious. We ended the evening with a beer in the hotel bar, where they served one of our favorite Icelandic beers, Einstök White Ale. One of the best things about Hótel Katla is the epic breakfast buffet. It almost deserves an entire video for itself. There are a ton of options, and Hótel Katla is great at taking special diets into consideration as well. Honestly, we just wanted to sit and eat from the breakfast buffet all day. The type of room we stayed in at Hótel Katla costs around 35 to 55,000 Icelandic krona per night. It varies depending on which season you visit. Hótel Katla also has more budget-friendly rooms available. Save this video so you know where to stay when you visit Vík on the south coast of Iceland.